Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel EnglishTube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on the topic National Anti-Terrorism Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is every year on May 21st, India celebrates National Anti-Terrorism Day. Second line is this day is observed to raise awareness among people about the dangers of terrorism. Third line is the day is also observed in the memory of former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, who was assassinated by a terrorist. Fourth line is the objective of observing this day is to promote peace, unity, and harmony in society. Fifth line is it is a reminder that terrorism is a threat to the safety and security of people and society as a whole. Sixth line is this day encourages people to come together and take a stand against terrorism. Seventh line is the day also promotes the need for international cooperation and coordination to combat terrorism. Next line is, it is a day to pay tribute to the innocent victims of terrorist attacks. Ninth line is, various events and programs are organized on this day to spread awareness. Last line, it is a day to reaffirm our commitment to fight against terrorism.